Annalise Scarpacci, and I live in Staten Island, New York.
My name is Ethan Joseph. I'm from Somerset County, New Jersey.
Hi, my name is Charlotte Ewing, and I live in Chatham, New Jersey.
My name is JC Sink, and I'm from Summit, New Jersey.
Hi, my name's Austin Fisher. I live in Monmouth County, New Jersey.
Hi, I'm Cody Braverman, and I'm from Short Hills, New Jersey.
Hi, my name is Charlotte Harrington, and I live in Shelton, Connecticut.
Hi, I'm Coleman. I'm from West Orange, New Jersey, and I would like to share with you a few of my favorite things.
Hey, my name is Tara Rajan. I live in Sands Point, New York, and some of my favorite things are right here in this room.
My favorite musical of all time, without a doubt, is Billy Elliot, and my favorite thing to do is to write music and play guitar.
My favorite thing to do is swimming, drawing, running, and tapping.
My favorite musical is Wicked, and my favorite food ever is chocolate.
My favorite thing to do is spend time with my pets, and my favorite animal is a giraffe.
My favorite animal is a llama because they're really cute. And my favorite musical is Little Shop of Horrors because it's really funny.
My favorite food is olives, and my favorite things to do are playing the piano and doing magic tricks.
My favorite movie is Hocus Pocus. This is my favorite doll. Her name is Dorothy. I had her since I was a baby.
As you can probably already tell, my favorite color is blue. I've always loved the color blue. I have a blue backpack, a blue phone case, and blue shirts.
I love music. I love singing, and here's some of my instruments. My flute, my piano, and my guitars. Most of all, I love my little sister.